You want me to weigh him? Okay, Jeremy, stealing our spot, really? That's low. That's low, dude. Good job, babe. I think you're a better fisherman than us.
Ow, motherfuckers are still biting me.
You're recording?
Yes, I'm recording.
Put that on YouTube.
I am gonna put it on.
Look at him dangling. He looks stupid. Oh, fuck. I'm scared. Ah. You okay, baby?
Huh?
You okay?
No,
Okay. Well, I'm gonna turn off my camera, that way I don't lose battery.
another one.
Another one?
Hey, don't make me be mean to you like the other one. Chill, 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 chill. Chill. Can you open? Can you open for me?
Okay.
Feisty. You won't keep spinning.
He's acrobatic.
He thinks that he is. Do you want to go back in the water or you want to throw a fit?
You wanna hold it up for the camera? Show the people what you caught.
Little bitty guy. Blue Gigi.
Alright, let's see the acrobats.
Oh. You ready? Yay.
Nice. You wanna tell the people what you caught it on?
Berkeley swim bait.
Berkeley swim bait.
The OG.
Never fails. Does it?
Nope.
Well, right after next cast, she gets another one. Might have to just follow you around.
He's a little guy.
Just a teeny tiny guy.
Acrobat.
Woo! Nice. Good job, babe.
Thanks.
It's 3. There we go. Swimming right with me. Oh, oh. I'm gonna flip him. I'm gonna flip him. Yeah. There we go. Anyway. Okay, yeah, I get dirty. Ow, that was a hook. Really? There we go. Largemouth bass. One up on Jeremy. Jeremy, look. Big and about 3.5 pounds. So you stinky. I'm gonna show you my setup. Xfinity Lose 751 gear ratio, 8-ball bearings, Berkeley swim bait, completely Walmart. It's probably the best deal you can get at Walmart. I mean, look how far it cast. Let's see. Boom. Pretty good catch. I'm gonna record real quick. What the fudge?
Sorry.
Jesus. That's what you get. That's rude. They're blue gigis.
You said there's fish over here?
They're blue gigis.
Oh yeah?
They are. I just saw them. Yeah, they're a bunch of blue gigis.
My belly's out.
Holy fuck.
I'm armed and dangerous. Yeah, I think I might go sit on the side of the truck. Because I'm not going to get ate by either one.
This is true. Did you get the flip out of here?
Dude, they said there were bass over here.
No, I said there's blue gigi over here. Oh, there's no trees above me. If I can get like over there, I bet you there's a bass in there.
I don't remember the deep part.
It is pretty. It's deep right here, like right here in this area. Oh, saw that? There's a small bass. He took it and he ran away. He's like, I believe in blue gigi. Okay, there's bass over there. Okay, let's see. Oh, I'm not gonna get over there.
I put too much snow on there last night.
Yeah, I hear that. I've been hearing that for like the past. Oh, you freaking mother trucker! They keep biting right here, like right here. It is. Stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down. Stay down, brother. No. Okay. No. Okay, brother. Okay, brother. Okay. Here. Just chill. Yes, dude. That might be my biggest bass. Yeah, dude, look at him. Holy crap. Bro, that's a big bass.
It's like a 5 pounder.
No.
Yeah? Oh,
Dude.
5, 6?
Holy schmacks.
It's your biggest bass.
That is my biggest bass. Holy crap. It was worth it finding that fucking tree branch. Woo. Look at that. A good one. Best one. Best one I've ever caught. Yeah.
PB. It's PB.
Big old mouth. Oh yeah. It's got a little bug on him. So 3, almost 4 pounds. Just really skinny. 20 inches long. I'm gonna get this sucker back in there. All right, buddy. Let's revive you. Really? Let's see. Goes. Off he goes. Heck yeah. So, I've been getting a lot of insight about not making an intro slash outro on my videos, which I've really just been making videos just to make videos. So I'm not really used to talking directly to the camera or to an audience because there's not really much of an audience. So it's kind of like just awkward, basically just talking to myself. But hopefully in more videos that I make, I get a little bit more comfortable with like actually talking to like the camera instead of just doing my own thing. But for now, I'm just gonna keep making videos until that time comes. I'm just gonna be awkwardly making maybe an outro. I don't know about an intro. It's more awkward making an intro, just kind of doing the cheesy, corny, "What's up, guys?" Type YouTube stuff. So it just seems really cheesy. But sooner or later, I'll start making intros, outros, and editing a little bit more into it instead of just kind of making a video and putting it on YouTube. So one of these days I'll get it, but right now I am a noob and a half, so just bear with me if y'all can, and any insight is helpful, any ideas or anything like that. So appreciate y'all and thank y'all. Bye.